Ever feel like your schedule is a chaotic mess? Let's transform that by building a beautiful and functional calendar right inside Notion, tailored perfectly to how you work. First, create a new page in Notion by clicking the plus icon on the left sidebar, then select Page. Title this page something clear, like My Calendar, so you can easily find it later. Now, let's add our first property. Click Add a Property. Select Date from the list of property types. This will be the core of our calendar. You can name this property anything relevant, like date or schedule date. We'll need another property to define what each entry is. Click Add a Property again. Choose text and name this property something like Task, Event to describe what you're scheduling. With our properties set up, we need to switch to a calendar view. Click the default view button at the top of your page. Then, select Add View. From the view options, pick Calendar. Notion will likely default to using our date property for the calendar. If not, ensure the correct date property is selected in the calendar settings on the right side. You can choose which property to show on the calendar cards. Task, Event is a good choice here. Now, when you want to add something to your schedule, simply click the plus icon within the calendar. Fill in your task, event details, like doctor's appointment, and then select the specific date and time from the date picker. And boom, your event is now on your personalized Notion calendar. You can add more properties for priority, status, or any other details you need to manage your time effectively. This flexible system keeps your tasks, events, and entire workflow organized all in one place.